Enjoying this weather, but we are keeping our eyes on the tropics.
Yeah, we're definitely keeping a very close eye on the tropics. Even though our weather here pretty much perfect, the tropics still pretty busy. Again, we're looking at 3 areas of concern. Whatever's left over of Odette has a medium chance of developing into some type of tropical system in the coming days. But again, it's way far away from us, not really a threat. But there's an area that we are watching that is expected to emerge off the coast of Africa by the end of the upcoming weekend, heading into next week. It has a low chance of development, but again, we'll continue to watch that area. But now we have a newly named storm. Tropical Depression 18 is now Tropical Storm Sam. Looks really good on satellite, very impressive. You could see the counterclockwise spin there and that low-lying center and the wraparound convection there. So again, additional strengthening is possible through today. It is moving to the west at 16 miles per hour with winds sitting at 50 miles per hour with wind gusts of 65 miles per hour. Now, it's about 1,700 miles east-southeast of the northern Leeward Islands. So again, we have plenty of time to watch this area of concern. So the National Hurricane Center, the latest projected path actually has it forming into a hurricane tomorrow evening. So it is going to continue to strengthen through today heading into tomorrow, and this could potentially become our next major hurricane of the 2021 season. Of course, we'll continue to watch it. As of right now, it doesn't look like it's going to be a threat to the Gulf of Mexico. So that is great news for us here. So here's what's staring this thing. We have a mid-level ridge situated off the east of North England, or New England rather, and it is expected to shift to the east and weaken. When it does that, that's when we'll see Sam making somewhat of a northern turn as we head into next week. Now, it's going to depend when this mid-level ridge will exactly weaken. So again, that's what's steering this system right now. And I've been keeping a close eye on the GFS and the Euro, and as of right now, pretty good consensus taking it through the Atlantic through the weekend. But look what happens as we look at Wednesday heading into Thursday. The GFS actually has Sam staying north of the Leeward Islands, but then the GFS, or the Euro rather, takes it right into the islands there. So it's actually a very close call for those islands right now, but still a lot of uncertainty as to when this system will actually make that turn. But again, for us here, we are expecting very quiet conditions through September. October starts next Friday. So again, at least we have 7 to 10 days of no tropical threat. So that's great news. So again, Sam is now the 18th named storm of the 2021 season. We still have Teresa, Victor, and Wanda. So 3 more storms or names to go through before we are finished with this name or finished with this list. But we're no longer using the Greek alphabet. We have a supplemental storm name list that we'll be using if we do go through the list that we're using right now. So hopefully we don't go through that list. But here at home, we are so quiet. We're under the influence of an area of high pressure. We had that strong cold front moved through the area yesterday, so that's why we have nearly perfect weather across the area. I don't expect any rain through the weekend, up at least through the first half of next week. So a live look outside, beautiful blue skies. It feels fantastic out there. Temperatures are in the lower 70s right now, but when that frontal boundary moved through yesterday, our winds still remain pretty breezy across the area. Right now, out of the north at 14 miles per hour. So again, I do expect breezy conditions to continue throughout much of the day. Temperatures look great. We're in the mid to upper 70s across the area. Dew points are low, so that's why it feels so comfortable outside. And again, breezy conditions will continue throughout much of the area today. So again, we have this area of high pressure. We'll be under the influence through the weekend, but we'll have a ridge or an area of low pressure slide through southern Texas, and this is going to be Tuesday into our Wednesday. That system is actually going to influence our weather as that ridge of high pressure breaks down, because it's going to kick up our winds out of the south. So that's actually going to pump in tropical moisture into the area, and that's actually going to have our humidity values slightly creep across the area into the 60s. So, and it's going to actually have our temperatures a bit warmer. So tonight, clear skies, overnight temperatures falling into the 50s. Chalmette looking fantastic, 78, sunny with low humidity values. So taking you through the day real quick, very quiet conditions today, tonight, as well as tomorrow. So right now we're looking at very nice weather heading into the weekend. So here's your 7-day forecast. 78 today, sunny, breezy. 79 tomorrow, sunny, not too bad, and the weekend looks great.